In React, we have little problem. When we have to toggle two or more components on toggle, our all change state will go away. But what if we want to toggle the component and still we want our state will stay the same? For that, we have latest React activity component. So here in the app component, we have one state for toggle and two buttons for setting that state to active tab name. And after that, here I use conditional rendering for display the current tab. Now let's see it is working or not. Change the tab to like button, and we can also change this to newsletter. This is working perfectly fine, but here is little thing. Let's fill this form here. And let's say we switch the tab to like button. Now again back to newsletter component. See, our state is get lost, which means React is removing our component from React DOM. Now what if we want to switch the tab but still we want our component state should preserve? For this use case, we can use activity component. So let's comment out these both conditions. I am keeping them just for your reference. Now first of all, we add activity component, and inside this we can pass our newsletter component. Now how can we decide this component should show or hide? For that, this activity component has only one prop, which is mode. In this mode prop, we can pass two values, hidden or visible. So for condition, we pass here curly brackets and write here condition if activity tab is equal to newsletter. If this is true, then we make this visible, else we make this hidden. Now let's do the same for the like component also. So add activity component, and inside this we pass the like button component. Now after that, we pass the mode prop in the activity component. Activity tab is equal to like button. If this is true, then we will make this visible, else we make this hidden. It is really simple. Just we have to wrap the component with the activity component and simply pass the mode prop with condition. Save the changes and take a look. At start, we get the newsletter, fill the form with values, and let's switch the tab to like. Now back to again newsletter component. See, we preserve our state value. This is the difference. With activity component, our component state preserved in its memory, and if we use conditional rendering, which is our previous method, if we use that, then that component state will remove. Simple as that. Now you might ask, should we use activity component for all conditional rendering? And the answer is no. Activity component serve different purpose. We use activity component for type of UI which user toggles frequently, like tabs, modals, sidebars, or we can say multi-step of forms. Basically, where we want to preserve the state of the component on hide and show. And when we want to hide and show components without preserving the state, then we can use conditional operator. Also, let me tell you one important thing. Activity keeps the component in memory. We can't overuse it in every component. It will put heavy load on the memory consumption. So only use activity component for those components which our user frequently hide and show. Simple as that. Also, do you know in real world how you can add instant like button without delay the like with API call? For that, you can check out this full tutorial. See you.